I am so hesitant to even make this video on Bitcoin when we're talking about the price, because as soon as you've watched this video, it's going to be out of date regarding the price. It is just gone up so fast, even since I checked it this morning. So let's get started and see what I'm talking about here. Hello everyone, this is Rick Ray from rickrayfx.com. That is my website that you see on the screen there, where you can go to find out more about Forex trading and about crypto trading. So what's happening with Bitcoin? Well, Bitcoin today, I do these weekly analysis, usually midweek. I missed last week because nothing was happening with Bitcoin, but there's a lot happening today. Now this is what I showed you 2 weeks ago. Bitcoin hits 50,000. Well, forget that. Okay, that has been left in the dust. What we are seeing, I guess you could call it a gold rush or a Bitcoin rush, or maybe a Bitcoin gold rush. I'm not sure, but it's pretty exciting. So to see what I'm all excited about, let's have a look at the charts and see just exactly what is going on. We started this bull run on Bitcoin back in the last week of October, November of last year. And it went up steady, and we had that news about the ETFs that were going to be approved by the SEC in the United States. And that was a case of buy the news, or buy the rumor rather, buy the rumor. And then after the initial excitement was over with the approval of those ETFs, then it was a case of sell the news. All right, so we saw that drop down for a while, and we thought, well, we might be going back to very, very low prices, and it seemed that it topped out or bottomed out at about 38,000, and then started to slowly creep back up, and then it just started to take off like a ballistic missile. Let's zoom out just a little bit and see what we have here on the chart. This is 50,000. It got up to 50,000, as I told you 2 weeks ago, and it only stayed there for 3 days. You see, that's the bottom blue line that you see there. Just 3 days at 50,000, and then made an immediate rush up in one big candle up to 52,000, and that's where it consolidated for the next 2 weeks. And so it's been kind of boring the last couple of weeks, but I tell you what, it's not boring anymore. You look at that second blue line is 52,000, and where we have gone today is just incredible. It's moved up from 52,000 and now trading around about 59,500. This is the chart that I took a screenshot of this morning, and here's one I took just a couple of hours ago, and it just keeps going. It looks like there's no stopping it. Okay, we know there's nothing goes up forever, right? So it's going to come back down. But now that at 55,000 level is our support level, and our resistance level would be 60,000. Well, it's now at about 59,500. So we're very, very close to that first resistance level already. And if it breaks above that, yes, well, the next level is around about 65,000. And then we could see a break above the all-time high, which is 69,000 and change. But sure, nothing goes up forever. We're likely to see a correction, a pullback to maybe 50,000, or maybe it will just stay at 60,000 and then go sideways for a couple of weeks. We just have to wait and see how it unfolds. But I tell you, it is very, very exciting to watch, and it looks like the gold rush is on, or the Bitcoin rush, or the Bitcoin gold rush, whatever you want to call it. So I hope that you are investing in Bitcoin. I know most people cannot rush out and buy 1,000 Bitcoins today, all right, but you can invest by DCA, which is dollar cost averaging, and this is the way that I've been investing for a couple of years. And just whatever you have, once a week, once a month, start accumulating Bitcoin for your future investment. And all you do is you open a hot wallet. All right, the Trust Wallet, Zingo, MetaMask, these are all wallets that I use. And you can buy and sell on these wallets. But remember, these are not self-custody wallets. So as you start to accumulate more Bitcoin and you have a pretty good investment, then you want to be sure that you protect what you have, and you do that with self-custody. And for a self-custody wallet, you need something that's called a crypto cold wallet. And one that I use, I have more than one, but the one that I prefer is the newest, latest, and state-of-the-art Tangem Wallet. And you can go to their website, check them out, see all about it. And if you decide to buy a Tangem cold wallet, which looks like this, it looks like a credit card, same size as a credit card, use the discount code below this video here, and you'll get a 10% discount. All right. Now, if you want to learn more about hot wallets and cold wallets, just check out this video here. It's on my YouTube channel. I'm making videos on crypto. Try to do once a week, but no more than once every couple of weeks. All right. And if you really, and you should, be serious about researching and understanding what digital assets are all about, you want to be sure and follow this lady here, Crypto Casey. She is the foremost authority on everything crypto, and I will put the link to her YouTube channel below this video. All right, thanks for being here. I appreciate it. Thank you for sharing in my excitement. What do you think the price of Bitcoin will be next week? All right, just leave your idea, your suggestion, what you think the price of crypto will be next week. Leave that below in the comments here, and I'd love to hear from you. I will get back to you. Don't forget to like, love, and share this video, and I'll see you again next time. This is Rick Ray, signing off.